Yes, Namaste children, all of you. Welcome to the class. In today's class, we are going to learn about parts of a sentence. A sentence is nothing but a group of words arranged in a particular order, in a sequential order. Okay, it is called as a sentence which gives us one particular correct meaning. So, in each sentence, there are different types of words, and each word is called as the parts of speech. Like here in this lesson, parts of speech. Every sentence is having the parts of speech. Okay. In today's class, we are going to learn about the noun. Noun means it is the naming word. Articles means a and the. These are called as articles. Adverb means which adds meaning to the verb. And adjective means which adds meaning to the noun. Are you following my point? Verb means which adds meaning to the adverb means which adds meaning to the verb, and adjective means which adds meaning to the noun. Okay, now let us see. We already know what naming words are and doing words are. Today we will learn about more kinds of words and what they do in sentences. So today what we are going to do, today we are going to learn about the different kinds of words in the different parts of speech in a sentence. In each sentence, which type of words are present, we are going to segregate, we are going to organize, we are going to sort them into different groups. Okay, now for this, yes, for this activity what you need is, first of all, you need the sentences, different types of sentences. This they will be there in the video. For this you need the sentences, and then you need one A4 sheet paper. On that you have to draw the glasses. Should name it as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. Now what we are going to do is this sentence. If you see the first sentence, Sam went to a pretty little farm is the sentence. So now what we are going to do is this complete sentence we are going to we are going to select the nouns from this. Whatever the nouns are there, we are going to put them in the noun glass. If pronouns are there, pronouns box, adjectives, verbs or adverbs. Now let us see. Sam went to a pretty little farm. So what is the noun in this sentence? Sam is the noun. So in the noun class we will write down Sam. Do you find any pronoun here? He, his, her, they, them? It is not there. So just you can put one dash. Adjective. What is the adjective you are finding here? Very good. Pretty and little. Pretty and little. But something else is hidden here. One more noun is also there. Can anyone tell me what is the other noun we are having? Excellent. It is farm. Farm is also a noun. Now, what is the verb here? Doing word here? Yes, it is the went. Verb is went. Now, is there any adverb here? No, it is not there. So, you have to put dash. In the same way, we will see the next sentence. One more sentence I will show you. We will go with this. Sam ate it happily. Sam ate it happily. So, what is the noun again here? Sam is the noun. Already it is there. Ate. Ate means what? It is the doing word. Doing word means it goes into verb class. Ate. It means what? What is it? It is, what is it? It may be the cake, it may be the biscuit, or it may be sandwich, pizza, burger, whatever it is. We are means in place of noun we are using it. So that is called as a pronoun. So we can write it in the pronoun glass. Now coming to the next word, happily. What did I told you? One clue. How did Sam eat that one? He ate it happily. What is ate? Ate is the verb. So the words which describe the verbs are called as, what do they called as? Adverbs. So what is this happily? It is adverb. So happily is the adverb. So in this way you have to sort the sentences into different parts of speech. Okay, ma'am? Now we'll continue our class.
Let's identify the naming words, doing words, pronouns, describing words, and adverbs in the sentence. Sam went to a little farm last Sunday. Sam, farm, and Sunday are naming words. Put them in the correct naming words cup.
Let me show you what is the meaning of these parts of speech. Different kinds of words in a sentence is called as parts of speech. So, during the grammar guide, we will do the parts of a sentence in the workbook first. Okay? Now here if you see, write down the date as it is, all of you. Okay? Now, read the following sentences. Sort the words in each sentence under the correct columns. Chavi writes a letter to her notebook. In her notebook. Means here what is the sentence given? Chavi writes a lot in her notebook is the sentence. Now what we should do? We have to divide this sentence, the words in this sentence into this the format, given format. Now if you see the first example, that is Chavi. Chavi, what is the naming word in this sentence? Chavi is the naming word, isn't it? Chavi is the naming word. C-H-H-A-V-I, Chavi. And also notebook is also a naming word. So first you write down the naming words in this box. Next, pronoun. Pronoun means what? The words which are used in place of nouns are called as pronouns. The words which are used in place of nouns are called as pronouns. Okay. So these pronouns, how the pronouns will be? He, she, it, they, her. Okay. All this called as pronouns. Now what is the pronoun in this sentence? Very good. It is her. Her is the pronoun. And what is the action word here? What is the doing word here? Doing word is the writes. Writes is the doing word. Writes is the doing word. And what is the describing word here? Do you find any describing word? We don't find any describing word here. And how she is writing? She writes a lot. Means this a lot is describing how she is writing. Writing is the verb. So what is it called as? The words which describe the verb, they are called as adverbs. So adverb, what is this? A lot is the adverb. So in this manner you have to write for all the sentences here. So for that what you need to do is, before you start the work, you write down the alphabets here: A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, after writing this, then you start writing in A. Already I have told you. B sentence you write down whichever things are here, I mean whichever words, parts of speech are you find in these sentences, those you should sort them out. Okay, next one is complete each of the following sentences by writing a suitable word from the clues given in the brackets. So here what they are asking about one word, one parts of speech is given, doing word. Doing word means what will you write here? I dashed my birthday last week. So what will you write for that? Very good. I celebrated my birthday last week. Next, naming word. What is a naming word? My dash came to the party. Naming word, what will you write? My friend, my mother, not mother, my uncle, my aunt came to the party. Pronoun. Pronoun means he, she, it, they, them. All these are called as pronouns. So what will you write? She gave me many beautiful gifts, or he gave me many beautiful gifts, or they gave me many beautiful gifts. Anything you can write down. Next, I got a describing word. What is the describing word? I got a dash toy aeroplane. I got a beautiful toy aeroplane. Beautiful is, how is the aeroplane I am saying? I am telling it as beautiful. So here what will you write? Beautiful is the describing word. And 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 dash books. How are the books? And interesting books. And interesting books. You can write down. Next, I went to bed. What will you write? Early you can write down, or late you can write down. Okay, so coming to the next question, choose one word from each column in question number 1 and write a sentence. So from this each column you may use the naming words, pronouns, doing words, describing words or adverbs from each column, and you should write down the sentence here. Okay, hope you have understood. Now let us see the picture, and then you should fill in the blanks. Before you start, you observe this picture. Now if you see the picture, you are finding many animals. Okay, some are singing, some are climbing the trees, one lion is roaring. Okay, like this the things are going here in the picture. Just you take a pause of the video and you observe the picture properly. Now here, on the basis of this picture, here some sentences are given. And each sentence is kept under particular heading. They are the parts of speech. Now if you see the first example, a fierce lion roars loudly. Now if you look at the lion here, how the lion is roaring? It is roaring loudly. The lion roars loudly or fiercely. A fierce means a very terribly angry lion roars loudly. In the same manner, if you see the other sentence, a big snake slithers slowly. So you can see a huge snake over here. It slithers slowly. So what is a part of the speech here? A is an article. Okay. Big is, how is the snake? The snake is big. And how is it moving? Slithers. How is it moving? It is slowly. So in the same manner you have to do for the other sentences also. So to make it more easy, here is one more example to be learnt. Okay. So the example is, the clever cat walks carefully. So what are articles? I told you articles are nothing but a and the. These are called as articles. Okay, and one thing you have to remember always, that a is used before the words which end with the consonant sound. The word not end with, begins. We use the article a for the words which begin with the consonant sound, and an is used before the words which begins with the vowel sound, and the is used to specifically, to say something specifically if it is only one. In such cases we will use the. Okay, and if any word is ending with the vowel, beginning with the vowel, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So if any word is beginning with these words or the sound, in such cases we will use an. Now here if you see the example, the clever cat walks carefully. What is this the? The is the article. What is the noun here? Cat is the noun. So how is the cat? The cat is clever. And what is the verb here? It is walks. And how the dog is walking? It is walking carefully. And here one more thing I would like to tell you, that most of the adverbs they end with ly. This point you should keep in your mind. Okay, Nana? That point you have to keep in your mind. Now let us see the next example. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. I saw dash lion and dash bear in the zoo. I saw a lion and a bear in the zoo. My mother eats apple. You see the apple, with which letter it is beginning? It is beginning with A. A means vowel. A means vowel. So you have to write down and. Now Asha reads a book every week. In the same manner, if you see, we went to cinema, means particularly you are saying that you went to the. In such cases, if you are using, then you should use the. And watched action. Action means it is an action film. Okay. Now coming to the next word, organize the words in the table. Here they have given the table and a list of words are given. From this list of words you have to segregate, you have to sort them and put them in the correct column. Like if first you see go. Go means what? Go means what? It is the action word. So it comes under verb. Next go to funny. Funny is the adjective. Neatly means ly words. What did I say? If they are ending with ly, they are the adverbs. Okay, like that you keep them in the correct columns. Okay. Now next one is fill in the blanks with suitable words. Here they have given. In just now in the worksheet we have done for your birthday party. If it is a describing word or if it is a naming word or the pronoun, whatever they asked, you have done it. In the same manner here also you have to see and write down. Here whatever the parts of speech is given, adjective means adjective, noun means noun. For example, I will tell you one. Yesterday I saw a big snake, snake, snake in the park. It was, how the snake, it was very long. It was very long, you can write down, or it was long also you can write down. So in that manner you have to use whatever is given here, the parts of speech, with those words you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, now let us see the fourth question. Write an adjective that you would use to describe these nouns. Now if you see city, how is our Hyderabad city? How is Hyderabad city? It is neat and clean, or it is noisy, or is it beautiful, or is it small, or it is big? You think and write down. Before adjective means always they will come, most of the words they will come before only. Only in some cases we will find afterwards. Before. Dash monkey, a small monkey, a tall monkey, a naughty monkey, a noisy monkey, anything you can write down. In the same manner, make sentences with more interesting by adding an adverb. So here the baby slept on the bed. How she was sleeping, the baby? Very calmly she is sleeping. And how your mother sang? My mother sang melodiously, sweetly. You can write down. Sally drank the milk slowly. How she has drank the milk, you have to write down. Okay. Now next question is, add 3 more sentences to the story using different parts of speech. Now here is the writing task for you. Once upon a time, a king and queen lived in a gigantic castle. The king was a brave man and the queen was a kind woman. So now they have started the story. What you have to do is you should use the parts of speech, different parts of speech. You can use noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, anything you can use, and you should continue the story. I provided for you to do more and more practice, Nana. That's it. It has given you to give more and more practice. You just see the picture and try to write the sentences. Okay? Understood all of you? Yes?